Hey there, Honda CRV owners. Is your radio locked and displaying Enter code after a battery replacement or power loss? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step to unlock your radio and get your favorite tunes back. Let's dive right in. Why does this happen? Before we begin, let's briefly discuss why this happens. Honda radios come with a built-in anti-theft system. When the power supply is interrupted, like during a battery change, the radio locks itself to deter theft. Unlocking it is simple if you have the right code. Let's find that code. Step 1. Locate your radio's serial number. The serial number is essential for retrieving the unlock code. Here's how you can find it. Option 1. Check the side of the door. Open the driver's side door and look around the door frame. You should see a small label or sticker, often on the side of the door frame, with an 8-digit number, e.g. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your radio's serial number. Pro tip: sometimes the unlock code is also printed on this sticker. So if you find both the serial number and the code there, you can skip straight to step 3. Option 2. Check the radio screen. If the side door sticker is missing or unclear, don't worry. You can retrieve the serial number directly from the radio. Turn the ignition key to the accessory position, so the radio powers on but the engine stays off. Hold down buttons 1 and 6 on the radio at the same time. While holding these buttons, press the power button. The screen will display an 8-digit number in one part, e.g. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your radio's serial number. Write it down. Step 2. Retrieve your unlock code. Once you've got the serial number, it's time to get your unlock code. Here's what to do. Visit HondaRadioCodes.com. Go to HondaRadioCodes.com on your device. This site is designed specifically to help Honda owners retrieve their radio unlock codes. Enter the serial number type in the 8-digit serial number you just found. Be sure to double-check it before submitting. It's important to avoid errors. Follow the instructions. Complete the process on the website. You may need to make a small payment, and once that's done, your unique unlock code will appear on the screen almost instantly. Save the code. Write down your code or take a screenshot for safekeeping. You'll need it in the next step. Step 3. Input the unlock code. Now it's time to unlock your radio and bring it back to life. Power on the radio, turn on the radio. It should display Enter code, signaling that it's ready for you to input the unlock code. Input the code. Use the preset buttons on your radio to enter the code. For example, if your code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you'll simply press each button once to enter the code. Confirm the code. Once the code is entered, the radio will automatically unlock and start working again. Troubleshooting tips. If you run into issues, here's what to do. Entered the wrong code? Don't panic. If you enter the wrong code too many times, the screen may display error or wait. Leave the radio powered on for 10 to 15 minutes, and it will reset, allowing you to try again. Still can't unlock it? Double-check the serial number and the code you retrieved. If you're still having trouble, visit HondaRadioCodes.com for additional help, or contact your local Honda dealership. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked your 2010 Honda CRV radio. Now you can enjoy your favorite music and podcasts on the road again. For quick and hassle-free unlock codes, remember to visit HondaRadioCodes.com. They make the process super simple. Until next time, drive safe and keep those tunes rolling.